Always choose the hard ones, the better hard ones over the wrong, easy ones. मैंने आप लोगों को कई बार ये ग्राफ दिखाया, कई बार ये बताया, आपको याद होगा शायद. Tell you about the entire life, you know. One is this one, and the other is this one. किसी को याद है ये? मैंने कितनी बार बताया आप लोगों को? This is the hard one. Initially, maybe first 6, 7 years, like from 8 onwards till 12. This is the easy one for the entire life. Similarly, this is the easy one from 8 to 12 something, and then this is the hard one. If you choose this one, then all the entire life will be easy. This is very difficult to do it. Lot of challenges will be there, lot of hurdles will be there. लोग आपको बताएंगे, कहेंगे यार ये तो नर्ड हो गया, पढ़ाई भी करता रहता है, कहीं आता नहीं, कहीं जाता नहीं, सारी बातें बताएंगे. लेकिन जिसने इसको फॉलो कर लिया, then the rest of his life will be very easy to follow, whether it's a job or anything for that matter. और जिसने शुरू में ये आसान कर लिया अपने को, अरे चलो मजे करने पे देखेंगे, फिर ये पूरी जिंदगी भर जो उसको मुश्किल होती है. So this is the principle of the life. If you choose between the two at the right time, at the right moment, डॉक्टर के पास गए, डॉक्टर ने कहा आपको ये 3 टैबलेट दिन में 2 बार खानी है, 3 times a day. आपने एक दिन खाई 3 बार, दूसरे दिन खाई 2 बार, चौथे दिन आपने 1 बार खाई, भूल गए, क्या आपका ट्रीटमेंट हो जाएगा? No, but there we don't do it because we know it immediately affects our things. Same thing with the life. If a teacher or a subject demands you, or your life demands you, or a working or a job or anywhere it demands you that you have to have this much, so you have to do this much. If you don't do it, you lose it. एक दिन खाना आपने बहुत अच्छा खाया, सेब भी खाया, केला भी खाया, फल भी खाया, दूध भी खाया, सब्जी खाया, सब अच्छा खाया. दूसरे दिन आपने खाना और कम किया, तीसरे दिन कुछ नहीं खाया. Can you survive? You cannot survive. So there has to be a balance. That's why the diet is called a balanced diet. It has everything, all the content, the carbohydrate, the proteins, the fat, everything. Your life is like a lifestyle. You have to be a balanced life. That's why the madam was saying, you have to relax, you have to see yourself, your personal hygiene, your input, your output, your relationship with your parents, with your brothers, with your siblings, with your teachers, with your neighbors, with your surroundings. Everything counts. Each and everything adds value. If you miss it, it goes into negative. If you add it, it becomes positive. So these are very simple but very important aspects of the life.